Morning students, this video is for class 2 children and the subject is computer. In last part we have completed the explanation of lesson number 4, that is keys of keyboard, and now I am going to give you we are going to solve the question answer which are given in activity part, page number 26. So just open your book, page number 26, and see the question number 1. Complete the crossword puzzle with the help of the given clues. Here some clues are given in green boxes. You have to read out the clues one by one and find out the answer and then write down here. The first one, key used to type in capital letters. Which key is used to type in capital letters? If you have remember that I have already explained in our class, that caps lock key. So write here CAPSLOCK, caps lock. The next one is key used to give space. Which key is used to give space? That is the space bar key. It is the longest key of our keyboard. SPACEBAR, space bar key. The third one is key used to erase letters. Which key is used to erase letter? That is the backspace key. BACKSPACE, backspace. The next one is key used to go to the next line, that is enter. ENTER, enter. The next one, it is the last one also, key used to move cursor, that is the arrow key. ARROW, arrow. So first of all you have to take out your computer copy, write down the chapter 4, then start writing question number 1, key used to type in capital letters, then give the arrow mark and write down the answer. Again write this clue, arrow mark and the answer. So same thing you have to repeat for each and every question. Now we are moving to question number 2. It is your question number 2. Match the name of keys with their images. You have to just identify the images and match it with the name of the keys. First is backspace key. This is your backspace key, number 4th. Okay, number B, space bar key, the longest key, it is your space bar key, so match it with it. Number C, function key, match it with number 1, function key. Number D, enter key, match it with 3 number, it is your enter key. Number E, arrow key, match it with this one, 2nd number, it is your arrow key. So again you have to write it in your computer copy. Now we are moving to question number 3. This 3 number question you have to do by itself. I am not going to give the answer for it. What you have to do here, count the following keys present in the keyboard of your computer and write in the given space below. Alphabet keys. How many alphabet keys are there? You have to count it in your keyboard and write down the number. Same thing, function key, write down the number of function key here by counting it in your keyboard. Enter key, how many enter keys are there? Count it and write down the number. Caps lock key, how many caps lock keys are there? Count it and write down the number. Next question, question number 4. Match the keys with their function. Keys name are there written here, function is also written here in another column, you have to match it. Number key for typing numbers, match it with their. Alphabet keys for typing alphabets, match it with it. Delete key for removing characters, so match it with it. Also write down it in your copy. We are moving to next question, that is question number 5. Look at the keys on the keyboard and fill in the boxes with name of the keys which are not discussed in this chapter. which we have already learned in this chapter, you have to leave those keys, and those keys are not explained in this chapter and not discussed with you. That key name you have to find out and write it. I have written here escape, ESC, tab, TAB, shift key, SHIFT, control key, alt key, and the end key. These are the different keys which we have not discussed in this chapter. So this is all about today's class. In next class I am coming with some extra questions, question answer, which you have to write it in your copy. It is not given in your book exercise part. So that's one we will do in next class. And thank you and have a nice day.